Hey, if you're a sales closer and you want to make more money in less time and you're tired of hearing no and maybe and I'll get back to you tomorrow, this video is for you because I'm going to show you actually how to sell and I'm going to simplify it in the next 5 minutes. All right. And why should you listen to me? Well, because we've sold a lot of stuff over the last 6 years. In fact, over the last 6 years, we've done about 250 million in high ticket sales, selling expensive packages to a lot of people. And so what I'm going to break down in this video is exactly how we do it. And if you follow this method, I could probably guarantee you that you're going to make more money and you're going to have a lot more clarity on a sales call. So here it is. A lot of people don't understand this, but when you are selling in a given conversation, what you actually have 3 sales that need to occur. Okay. These have to occur. And if you just make one sale, see, a lot of people think, oh, I just need to get down to the end of the call and then I got to sell the prospect on the program. Well, yeah, that is one of the sales, but then you're forgetting 2 other sales that are very, very important. So if you start thinking about a sales conversation, why does somebody get on the call? Well, the reason why they get on the call is because what they're looking for in their life is a chance to change, right? So they want to either make more money, they want to have better relationships, or they want to look, more fit, right? So we'll just put a little dumbbell here. Because these are the offers that sell in the marketplace, right? So they either want to make more money, they want to have a better relationship, or they want to be more fit. And if you're selling something like that, more than likely you have a big market that you can go after. Okay. So here's the key though. And again, guys, I'm not going to edit this video. It's going to be pretty raw and just real with you guys. But the first sale is you got to sell the prospect on change. And so when you think about it, right, we start the call, we introduce ourselves, we introduce, where we're calling from, why we're calling, right? So it's pretty basic in the beginning. But then when we get into the discovery portion of the call, the reason why we do the discovery is because we're asking questions to make sure that John sells us that now is the time to change. Is John sold on change now? Because if he's sold on change, that means we can go on to the next 2 sales. But unless, for example, if he's not sold on change and he doesn't want to change now, then this is not a qualified prospect. This is somebody that you should probably get off the phone and say, hey, John, sounds like right now everything's going great in your life. Sounds like you have everything you need to succeed. I think we should revisit this in the next 6 to 12 months because they are not ready for change. So remember this, their first sale in every given sales conversation is they have to want to change. Okay, that is the first one. So we'll put it number 1. And again, guys, I know this is kind of messy, but just bear with me. All right, I hope I get the point across. So sale number 1 is change. Then we move on to sale number 2, which let's just put the second sale here, guys. Look, the second sale is the method of change. So now we have a method on how we're going to deliver this change to John. So for example, let's just say John's on the phone because he wants to grow his business. And we have decided together that John is serious about solving this problem. And we have decided together that the problem that John is experiencing is he does not know how to get leads for his business. He has tried Facebook ads. He has tried organic. He has tried, lead marketing systems, and they're just not working. So now what we have to do is, now that we know John is sold on changing, we have to sell John on the method of change. So a method is nothing more than a unique mechanism in your offer. Every offer has to have a unique mechanism, a way in which you can provide value in a way that says, oh man, I've never really heard of this before, but this makes a lot of sense. So for example, I might say, hey, John, what we do here at XYZ Company is we actually show you how to do the PPP method, okay? And so when we run ads, John, because I know you said in your last, as we were talking, that you've run ads before and they don't work. And this is quite, we hear this all the time, John, totally understand it. However, this is how we came up with our PPP method, which has crushed for us and our clients with ads. And the way it works, John, is what we need to do is we need to pre-sell, we need to pre-frame, and we need to pre-convince. Okay? And so when we run ads, John, we follow this framework and we show you exactly how to run this framework, because by the time we get your prospect in front of your offer or in front of a book a call funnel, they're already pre-sold, they're already pre-framed, and they're already pre-convinced that what you're offering is exactly what they need. And so now when we pour marketing dollars into this framework, all of a sudden it spits out more money. Does that make sense, Sean? Does that resonate with you in terms of that framework? Right? And now what I'm doing here is I'm getting John to link the method. So now I'm saying, John, are you sold on this method of change going forward? So the way I'm going to say that is, hey, John, let me ask you this. So do you think, John, if we were to able to install this method into your business, you would have more success from your advertising? And then of course, John's gonna be like, well, yeah, I think so, because I'm not doing any of that right now. Fantastic. So now what we've just done is we've sold John on change. We've sold John on the method of change. And now the last sale, guys, the last sale is actually pretty simple, because what we're doing is now we're going to just sell John on the method of delivery, right? Which is your program, your product. So then all we do is in the given conversation is be like, well, hey, John, so what we're going to do in the program is this, right? So step number one is we're going to get you in front of our ads expert. Now, this ads expert is the same guy that runs all of our ads internally for our company, which to this date, we've been able to generate, millions of dollars using this person. So what we're going to do is we're going to get you in front of him, right? And so his name is, his name's Axe, right? So Axe is going to get with you. He's going to install this framework into your business, and you'll be set up within, usually it's anywhere from 2 to 4 weeks with this system going in your business. Okay, boom. So now what I'm doing here is I'm basically, what your program now becomes is, and what I'm selling John on is I'm selling John on how we're going to deliver the method. So it's like, okay, the program is now how we're going to install this method into your business. So if you see how this conversation is going, guys, it's so simple. It's dead simple. All I've done in this conversation is I've sold John on change, or John has sold me on change. Then I've sold John on the method of how we're going to deliver that change in his business. And then the third pillar is I'm just going to sell John on how we deliver that method of change. Does this make sense, guys? And it's and you just continue that loop on every single sales call. It never changes. And so it's step one. And then step two, John, is what we're going to do is as we start running these ads for you, we're going to keep track of how they're performing. And if they are performing great, we just scale. And if they're performing mediocre, then what we do is we just optimize using our 3-step method. And this is how we go, John, from spending, $100 a day to $1,000 a day to $5,000 a day using this exact method in your business. And then I'd just say, hey, John, how does that resonate with you? Do you feel like something like this would help, you generate more leads in your business? And he said, yes. And then, of course, step 3, John, is what we're going to do is we're going to get you inside of a group with other business owners just like you at your similar size, at your similar scale, selling similar products, because we believe that peer-to-peer accountability is very, very powerful. So what we're going to do is we're going to stick you into that group, and we're going to get you into a peer coaching group that can help you, get results faster. And if you hit any bottlenecks, not only are you going to have access to us and our team, but you're going to have access to other people in the network that are actually doing it as well. Okay. So then you have that. So that's what all I'm doing, guys, is like, look, step 1, we get you with our ads expert. He sets everything up. Step 2 is we make sure it's performing well. And if it is, we scale. If not, we optimize. Step 3 is we get you into our network. So that way you have peer-to-peer accountability and you continue to meet with high-level entrepreneurs and level up your skills. And so now all I've done, guys, is to say, hey, look, this is how we deliver the program in 3 steps, which delivers the method, which is going to get you the chance to change and get the outcome that you want. And then simply, guys, if John has said, okay, I want to change, the method makes sense, I like the method, and wow, how you deliver the method and the program's great, what he's going to do is he's going to buy. All right, and then boom, all of a sudden, you have money just coming in to your bank account as a closer because you follow this simple 3-step process. Guys, I can't make it any simpler than this. We've taken thousands upon thousands of sales calls, probably 350,000 sales calls, maybe more. And I can tell you what, this little diagram right here will make you more money and simplify things more than you could possibly imagine. All right. Hey, with that being said, I got more great videos on my channel. If you want to check them out with the link below, guys. And as always, keep dominating, and we'll see you for the next one. Peace.